This is a before picture of me using the COSRX Snail Mucin 96. This is a hydrating serum for deep lines and wrinkles, and let's see, after a progression of time, how it works. Prime the pump the first time, get a little bit on your hand, and apply generously all over your face. Let's see if it addresses some of these fine lines and wrinkles. I've been using the Snail Mucin from COSRX with 96% power repairing essence hydrating cream for about 2 weeks. Watch and see the difference, and pump a little bit in the palm of your hand and you apply it. It feels really luxurious going on. And I just, whatever's left over, I use on my neck and my hands, my décolleté, and look at how it has helped my overall skin quality. It feels so good. And I can feel a little tightening after I let it dry. You can see the difference in my skin in just 2 weeks. I love the way it feels.